Alright, welcome back to Promotech. Thanks for tuning in. Samsung hasn't officially announced the Galaxy S27 Ultra yet, but the latest leaks point to something much bigger than another yearly upgrade. The most important changes aren't the ones dominating headlines. They quietly reveal a new direction for Samsung's flagship strategy, one that could completely change how future Galaxy phones are designed, priced, and experienced over the next several years. Let's dive right into the video. One of the biggest surprises isn't a brand new camera. It's the possibility that Samsung could actually remove one. For years, Ultra models have relied on multiple telephoto cameras to cover every zoom level, but recent reports suggest the dedicated 3x lens could disappear. At first glance, that sounds like Samsung is cutting features, but when you look deeper, it starts making sense. A more advanced 200-megapixel main sensor combined with smarter AI cropping could produce similar results while freeing up space inside the phone. That extra room doesn't just disappear. It could be used for better cooling, a larger battery, or even improved camera hardware elsewhere. It's a subtle change that could benefit most users without them even realizing it. That leads to another quiet shift that deserves far more attention. Storage technology may finally jump to UFS 5.0, and this is the kind of upgrade you won't notice on a spec sheet, but you'll feel every single day. Apps could launch faster. AI tasks may complete almost instantly, and transferring huge files might take a fraction of the time. More importantly, newer storage is expected to consume less power, meaning Samsung could improve battery life without increasing battery size alone. It's the type of improvement that makes a flagship feel premium years after launch instead of only during the first week. Before we continue, if you're constantly moving large files between your phone, tablet, and PC, this is exactly why many creators use Walrus. It keeps everything organized across devices without the usual cable headaches, which becomes even more useful as phones get faster and AI features demand more storage. It fits perfectly with where flagship smartphones seem to be heading. Now here's the decision that could divide Galaxy fans. Samsung appears to be focusing less on adding flashy hardware and more on making every feature work together through AI. Instead of chasing another impossible megapixel number, the company may be investing heavily in computational photography, smarter autofocus, and real-time image processing. Compare that to older Ultra models, where hardware often stole the spotlight. The Galaxy S27 Ultra could be the first Samsung flagship where software becomes the biggest upgrade. That's a risky strategy because it's harder to market, but if Samsung gets it right, users benefit every time they take a photo instead of only in perfect lighting conditions. There's another leak that hasn't received nearly enough attention. Samsung may be expanding premium display technology across more Galaxy models instead of keeping everything exclusive to the Ultra. If that happens, it tells us something important about Samsung's long-term plan. Rather than forcing customers to buy the most expensive phone for basic premium features, the company could start separating the Ultra through smarter experiences instead of artificial limitations. That would completely change how future Galaxy lineups are positioned, and honestly, it may be the biggest strategic shift we've seen from Samsung in years. If you're enjoying these deeper breakdowns, make sure you're part of the community. Over 70% of people watching these videos still aren't subscribed, and that's a huge number. Subscribing isn't just about supporting the channel. It's about joining a community that looks beyond marketing slides and focuses on what these changes actually mean before everyone else catches on. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is still surrounded by leaks, so plenty can change before launch. But when you connect these reports together, Samsung doesn't seem to be building a phone with more specs. It looks like it's building a smarter flagship design to stay relevant much longer. And if that's really the direction they're taking, what else could Samsung quietly remove, replace, or completely rethink before the Galaxy S27 Ultra finally arrives? Take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.